Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Jasper, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers can assist you in moving across town or across the country. We are in good standing with the federal and local agencies that are in charge of overseeing the relocation process. We have insurance in place because we care about our customers and their belongings. These policies shield you from financial harm before and after a move. You can trust the most skilled and capable movers and drivers on our relocation crew to transport your goods properly. You don't have to be afraid of us ripping you off when it comes to pricing. Long-distance relocations are not easy to plan. In fact, they pose serious danger to the best-laid moving plans. However, we at 3 Movers have the capability to handle the strains of a long-distance relocation. You should trust us on that. A local move is far less expensive than a long-distance one. At $30 to $40 an hour, our rates are very competitive. You may rest assured that your goods will be transported in a safe and efficient manner because we've handled similar situations before. No matter what time of day or night, our local movers will get the job done perfectly the first time. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Jasper moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.